Wait lang.
We're back.
That's it.
Umuupo ka lang sa net. Yung pagaw po, umuupo ka lang sa net.
Ah, sa net.
Yung parang sailing boat map na walang makina, yung hangin na yung pumagana.
Oh, ganun.
Yung kakatulad din mo, ano? Nandito po yung mga lahat na activities, sir. Kaso ngayon yung activities po.
All these sisters here. So we'll always make her laugh, sometimes angry. So by the way guys, good morning. Ba't ako na naman? Good morning and mabuhay. So welcome to the island of Boracay. Our home, your destination. Okay, so by the way, my name is Jim. With Noy, EJ. And on front of us, you see the windmill on the mountain, so that's Ilocos Pagurpon. Ilocos Pagurpon. Pupunta kang Pagod, Chinelas mo, Pagurpon. Pagurpon. Name will be Triple R4. And that will be our group name as well.
I-hold ng guest sabay. Guys, so this is the island of Crystal Cove.
our first stop, it will be the Cove One and the Majestic View. Okay, so back, we should go down first because later will be crowded. A lot of people come, okay? So this will be our scenery inside the Cove. So you can swim or if you don't want to.
여기까지 한국말 해줘야 돼. 영어 내고.
And for those things of yours, whatever you want to down. Hindi naman kung nakaraan pa yan, pero ngayon pa rin. Hindi naman kalmado po. Let's go for a swim, guys. Watch your head, guys. Watch your head. Guys, K1 is right here po. Baba muna tayo. Mamaya marami ng tao dito, guys. Baba na po muna tayo, guys. Marami ng tao mamaya.
Yeah.
Watch your head, guys.
Madali ka na kanina kung ano yung dala ka picture. Okay lang. Ka talaga daan lang.
Adi Island sir, yan na po. Romblo na po. Romblo na ba yan?
Watch your head, guys.